Hi guys, this is Katie and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So it is Vlogmas day 13. It's a Saturday. We're heading out to a place called Century Mall, which isn't too far from us, because that's where Callum gets his haircut. So we're going to go get Callum's haircut and I'm going to have a little wander around the mall. And then later on today, me and two of my friends from work are going to go head down to the Peninsula Hotel in Bangkok. It's on the riverfront and we're going to have a festive afternoon tea. So that should be interesting and I shall take you along as I go. Hi guys, so Callum is literally just getting his haircut there, and there's like a cafe next door, and I picked up, I really fancy a coffee, so I picked up a mocha, and they have a caramel brownie mocha here. It's like a Christmas special. It looks pretty extravagant, so I'm going to sit down and enjoy this. Hi guys, so I'm talking to you whilst I go. I'm heading out now. I'm going to get a grab to the Peninsula Hotel. It's going to do a stop on the way to pick up my friend because she doesn't live too far from me. And yeah, so I should be there in about half an hour. So excited for this afternoon tea, guys. I love an afternoon tea. Callum is also quite excited for his day in on the PlayStation because he doesn't get to do that too often because we end up just watching TV together or talking. So yeah, you get to do that. I get to have afternoon tea. So I shall show you as I go. Hi guys, so we are now at the afternoon tea. It is beautiful in here. You have a gorgeous view of the river, but there's also lots of festive decorations, a massive tree just behind me, and it smells of mulled wine. You know when you're going to a good afternoon tea when it smells of mulled wine. And they even have festive teas and coffee. Oh, they have a gingerbread cappuccino, Katie, and a Christmas pudding latte. Did she say that these were all included? Because I kind of... Oh, the hazelnut hot chocolate sounds quite exciting. They also have some festive cocktails and they have, what was the thing that they said they had?
A festive afternoon tea exhibition at 5.
Okay, at 5 o'clock they have something where we can have cocktails higher up in the building. I think.
Calendar has allowed blue wine and Christmas cookie and apple trees 5 p.m. every day.
This is Christmas heaven.
My goodness. They have little ballet dancers. Look at this. Do talk and move. It's mainly so that if you're like walking and talking, it will stay still so you don't have
it. I'm not going to delete anything, am I? How do I focus on something?
You double tap on the screen to focus on something, and then the button on the left is record, and then you... There's lots of fun.
This is so much fun. I want one. Seriously want one?
How much are they?
Oh wow. God. Oh, I'll let my dad know. Christmas present.
Well, everyone wants to do a good shot of that. Oh, thanks so much, Katie. You're still filming. have at 5 o'clock a massive advent calendar that they open at 5, and you get cookies and more wine.
This is so cute. Now come together.
Oh. Hi guys, so we finished up our afternoon tea and they were like, oh, let us take you to a suite upstairs. And we were like, what's going on? What are they talking about? And it turns out they've got like this little suite up here where you can like take in the views around. They've got like a little chocolate station that you can help yourself to chocolate. And then a guy just came up and gave me an eggnog. How random, guys, but you can also try like different cocktails up here as well. This is very festive. Guys, afternoon tea, amazing. Would definitely recommend coming to this hotel. I'm thinking about maybe doing a staycation, and look how pretty it is outside. It's so pretty. Just taking a photo of a tuk-tuk outside. Beautiful day.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas